Good morning. Today I'm on the balcony thinking about what I'm gonna do, and I'm out of memory, so I gotta figure out how to get all this stuff off the camera. So I'll see you guys in a little bit because it's about to turn off. So pretty. So it's been raining like crazy out in London for the last little while. Look at that pretty rainbow. It just finished pouring down. I don't see the end of the rainbow. Maybe there is no end. But wow, someone down there is really having the time of his life, isn't he? As I was saying, it's been pouring like crazy in London, and this really pretty rainbow has arrived. Oh, that's so nice. I love rainbows.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. I should make a sandwich.
You making a sandwich?
Yeah, I make a sandwich.
Come on.
Doo-doo. Chicken sandwich. This is Carl's healthy lunch. We had leftover chicken, so he's having chicken for lunch today, and I'm up when he's up, so I'm gonna make a sandwich. Ooh, he's leaving soon. Let me do that.
Oh man, welcome to the trade show. We got what you need, bring them something they can pay for. Painted on a smile when I'm stepping on my doorstep.
Good morning. My microphone didn't turn on. I'm very sad right now. Stupid microphone.
Did you captions on it?
No.
Oh, I can make it like a French film, like one of those old French films, and it's like
You can dub it. Dub it.
I could dub it. Wow, that's a lot. I could just refilm it. It's only a few seconds.
Hello. I got dressed and then I made chicken sandwiches.
Yes, that's what he's done today. And you have to leave in right now. 7 on the dot, babe.
I have things I have to see and go to.
Places you must go. People you must see. Oh, the places you will go.
That is a fantastic book.
I knew you would say that.
Fantastic. If you haven't read that, you should read that.
I'm not gonna say I haven't read that then.
It's the ultimate graduation book.
Graduation book.
Oh yeah.
And a bit old for Dr. Seuss at graduation.
You never too old for Dr. Seuss.
Okay, I didn't grow up on Dr. Seuss. I didn't hear about Dr. Seuss until I was working chapters.
If any time you are ever going to get back into Dr. Seuss, it should be when you're graduating. Because at the end of the day, like, people are at their best when they got that childlike wonder.
Childlike wonder. Yeah, some people never lose it.
Some people never lose it. That's why they do so well, so successful. Everyone forgets about that on the way there.
Yeah, not me.
But all the places you'll go, great fucking book.
All the places you will go. And now Kyle has to go to work. Say bye, Kyle.
Bye, Kyle.
Bye.
Good morning, guys. I just wanted to show you a quick update before I head off to work of something I'd done. We love it. Like, Kyle came in yesterday, showed him, and he was like, oh my god, I'm so happy you did this. It's so pretty. Because he was definitely skeptical. I was skeptical too, but when you see it, you'll know why. But, oh, so beautiful. This is like, I feel like this is a finishing touch, even though we haven't finished anything. This place is a bit of a wreck right now. Please ignore that. I've just been getting ready, so yeah, that happens when I'm getting ready for a shoot. But I'll show you guys what it looks like and what we did. Well, what I did, what I chose and put up last night. So this is it. So this is the living room, as you can see. And right here is our new pendant light. How pretty is that? I feel like it's either love it or hate it, but oh man, it looks so nice in the room. I don't know who would hate this. Like, it's so pretty. If Kyle likes it, then it must be pretty safe. And yeah, I posted it on Instagram and other people liked it too. So I really love this. It's so unique and just such a good find. They were on sale for £15 on Iconic Lights, I think it was. Yeah, Iconic Lights. They were on sale for £15, so I grabbed 2 of them. I was like, this is a great deal, down from 36. They're so pretty and it just brings the room together. I'll show you a bit further away. So this is how it looks in the room. Once we have like our coffee table, wow, messy. This is so messy. Once we have our coffee table there, it will be really it would really come together, I think, as a whole room. Oh man, I've got like these forest kind of eco vibes. This is my dream. Good morning. Welcome back. It's been a minute and I have so many things to update you on, so let's get some things done today. Today's gonna be a productive day because it hasn't been, it's Wednesday and I haven't been very productive. It's so bright. We don't need that kind of brightness. Like, come on. There we go. The door's open. If it's loud, I'm sorry because I don't have my mic on. But yeah, it hasn't been the most productive week. I'm not gonna lie. It's Wednesday and I'm like, I need to do things. I have so much to do. I don't have so much to do, but there's so many things I want to do because I want to feel productive, and I hate feeling like I'm not productive, and I've just been kind of in a slump. Not even a slump. Let me move away from the door because it's so loud. It's so loud. It's so unnecessarily loud. Yeah, so what was I saying? God, please do not fall. Oh my God, if my camera falls, yeah, it's about, all hell's gonna break loose. As you can see, I've got my filming set up right there. That's our chair that goes outside, that has been an indoor chair since we got here because we don't have our chairs yet. So as I was saying, I've been slightly unproductive. I have a video that I'm supposed to upload, that I was supposed to upload last week really, but last week was a busy week. It was very busy. I went back to work, so there was that. Yeah, it was my first like real kind of week back at work sort of thing. So if you don't know, I act. It's so weird when I tell people, if I say to people I'm an actress, it's kind of strange. But yeah, I should just accept who I am. This week, Chadwick Boseman died, which was like the saddest thing ever. Well, it wasn't this week, it was on Saturday, I think, or Friday. That was just so sad. And anyway, so that's why I'm owning who I am. Yeah, so I'm an actress, also a writer, which Chadwick Boseman was actually a writer, a director, and an actor, and a hero to many of us, and a king to many of us. So that was just the saddest thing. It was also our wedding anniversary this weekend. Well, it was on Monday, but we celebrated it over the weekend. So yeah, that definitely helped to lift my spirits. I feel like because I've been meditating a lot, that Chadwick Boseman dying, as much as it really struck so many chords. If you don't know, which if you've been here for a very long time, you do know that I am a huge Marvel fan. Maybe I haven't told people this actually. But it's obvious if you've seen things around the house. I'm sure you've noticed. But yeah, and even in my old videos, I'm pretty sure I've done like film reviews. But yeah, I'm a super huge Marvel fan. It's like one of the biggest parts of my life outside of like being like a Potterhead. It's like, yeah, so I read a lot of comics. I'm a nerd basically. But yeah, that was just killer because, you know, we got our black superhero and of course we got the Spider-Verse, but there's like cartoon. It wasn't the same, you know, it just wasn't like this. Black Panther, I watched it 3 times in cinema when it came out. I made my parents go watch it and they hadn't been to a movie together since we were born, all of me and my brothers. So yeah, it was big, it was a lot. But if anything, this is the first time I think a death has fueled me. Like, usually when someone dies, it just kills me. Like, especially if it's someone that is like somehow connected to my universe, like it just crushes. But this time it fueled me. It just was like, it inspired me to want to carry on the work that he's done. It inspired me to want to really like achieve my goals and my dreams and really get out there with writing, really get out there with acting. Anyways, my point to that was that last week I went back to work. So that was crazy. It was a big week. I did 2 big commercials, which was really cool, and it was a great opportunity, and it was really fun and really scary because always acting is scary. It's kind of why I do it, because it makes me scared. I'm so scared of doing a terrible job a lot of the time, which is imposter syndrome because I've been doing this for a long time, so it's not like it's really that hard. It's just that when the spotlight is on you, you just kind of have this feeling of like, am I gonna live up to the expectation of the director? Anyways, so yeah, there was that. It was great. It all went well, like amazing. I think I did an amazing job, if I do say so myself. So that was definitely like a boost. And then obviously when he passed, it was just like, I'm doing the right thing. I'm in the right. I'm following the right path. I can't give up now. Like this is, if anything, that week was just a real wake up call for me. But yeah, feeling like I've been unproductive for the last 3 days. I've done nothing. So let's get some stuff done today. Yeah, I haven't vlogged in a while. My hair is like, why we still have that up there. Because I'm just like, oh, I took out my braids, so I'm like, yeah, I think I'm gonna put them back in today maybe, I'm not sure. It's just nice to have them in while I can. I had to take them out for work because I have my natural hair when I'm working and when I'm acting, because it's usually requested, not requested, but all my photos with my natural hair, and that's how I want to be when I'm acting. So that's why I have pictures of only my natural hair. I never have braids in because I rarely wear braids nowadays. But it's been nice because work's been kind of quiet. Like I can actually have braids in, which is kind of useful for me because it helps me be more productive because I don't have to worry about doing my hair. So yeah, so I might be putting my braids back in soon because I don't have anything booked or penciled for a bit, so I'm good to go. Anything could change, of course, as they always do, and I'll just take them back out, but it doesn't take me that long to do it because I've become kind of a pro at it. So what was I saying? I was saying that we're gonna have a productive day. I'm filming today, so that's why I got that set up there. What else? I am potentially braiding my hair. I got some things coming, some deliveries. Ooh, I should open those up. I'm gonna go grab those. Let's make a coffee first. Let's make a coffee, then I'm gonna watch a vlog while I drink my coffee. She says she wants to be productive, and then she's like, let's go make a coffee so I can watch vlogs. It brings me joy. Yeah, I'm just gonna catch up. I'm gonna see if there's any vlogs to catch up on. I might make some toast, and yeah, I'll come back to you guys with some of the things that I got from Amazon for organizing our kitchen and our pantry because it needs it, really needs it. Like, yeah. Also, look at these beautiful flowers that I got for my anniversary. They are lilies and carnations because lilies are my favorite flowers, and carnations are for our first year wedding anniversary. There are these gifts that you're supposed to give your spouse every year of your wedding anniversary, I think. I don't know, I told Kyle about it. He looked it up and I didn't even know what it was, and I was like, he was like, did you see what flowers I got you? I'm like, yeah. I was like, lilies, and I don't know what the other ones are. He's like, carnations. I'm like, oh. He's like, I was like, oh, because of the first year anniversary. Man, I should look at what those gifts are because that's exciting. Tricked him. So I decided to have tea instead of coffee because I realized I already had a coffee, and if I have another coffee, yeah, it's done. I'm not gonna be able to film. I'm gonna actually be like bouncing off the walls. It's gonna be a whole thing. It's gonna be a whole thing. Sweet X. I don't eat sugar. Oh, it's about to get loud, sorry. There's no tea in here. Where is my tea? God dang it. If you know, you know. If you're English, you know. Or if you're British, you know. A lot of people, there's like so much tea wars about teas and what the best tea is, and I honestly think that PG Tips is the best. Because, I don't know, it's just delicious. Such a refined flavor. Come on, kettle. Probably shouldn't put my head so close to the steam. Okay, this kettle definitely needs like the scaling at some point. Whee! So let's let that brew for a minute.
On a smile when I'm stepping on my doorstep. I need from the world what she giving me before that. A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Snap a photo with my girl.
So this milk is from McDonald's. When I used to live in Korea, I would buy McDonald's breakfast. If I ran out of milk. If I ran out of milk, I'd buy McDonald's breakfast because that's the only thing I like eating. Actually, no, I would buy I liked McDonald's not breakfast, their normal a la carte menu, whatever, because in Korea they had great burgers. One of my favorite burgers was the Shanghai Spice. I think it was called Shanghai Spice. The Shanghai Spice chicken burger. Oh my god, that was the best burger in the history of McDonald's, other than that one burger I had in California way back in 2010 when I went there and I was working at a summer camp. Yeah, So that was my favorite burger. So I would buy that and the McWings, amazing in Korea. Korean McDonald's was just better than the McDonald's elsewhere. At least here in the UK, I don't eat the a la carte menu pretty much ever, maybe like once a year, if that. So I would get McDonald's and I would get milk as my drink because I ran out of milk and I didn't want to go outside, so I just get delivery and then I would get milk. Yeah, wow. Can you tell how much I love being outdoors and I love going to the grocery store? It's just a mission, you know. It's like if I'm gonna get delivery anyways and I do want a cup of tea in the morning, I might as well just get McDonald's to deliver me my milk. It's free. I have drinks at home. I drink mostly water, so I don't really need the extra drink that comes with my meal. I do want the fries though because I used to love McDonald's fries, but milk is so useful. So that's a hack. If you're like, I don't want to go outside or you can't go outside, just get McDonald's milk with as your drink, and then boom, you got milk for at least like 5 cups of tea. Like this is still going and this is my 4th cup of tea. Not today, but over the last couple of days. It does say discard on the 31st. Bullshit. It smells fine. I should smell it. It smells fine. I think discard from the store on the 31st, not from your home, because boy, oh yeah, this is done. This is very dark. It's darker than usual. I like my tea like really done. Oh no! Abs. God dang it. I just dropped my tea bag behind the bin. That was fun. Good times.
Snap a photo with my girl, but post a picture with her friend. I'ma loop my head, tryna find myself again. Doing circles in her feet, only let them see me win.
Tea. I love tea. I'm like, should I make breakfast? What time is it? Is it 12 yet? Where's my watch? I need to get my watch. Oh shit, it's 11:30. Okay, it's probably time for breakfast. I'm gonna make some toast and I'll catch you guys in a bit because this is boring. You guys don't want to watch me make toast and eat breakfast and watch vlogs. So I know that I said this is boring, you don't want to see this. However, I ran out of jam and I was like, I wanted to show you guys the jam that I'm gonna be eating. Is that the right way? No, wait. Can you see that? This is our wedding jam. Number 1, how cute is this? This is strawberry. We had strawberry, we had raspberry, and we had strawberry and rhubarb. Was it raspberry and rhubarb? I think. 3 different jams. Kyle's stepmom made these. These are the most amazing jams I ever had. It kind of got me into what kind, I don't know, you know the jam with the seeds? Here we have jam that is like jelly and it just has like, it doesn't have any seeds in it. And then you have, I think it's called conserve. If I can find the jar. Oh wait, the jar's here. Uh-oh, my toast is ready. Here's a jar. Yes, raspberry conserve. So this is the kind of jam that I now like eat. I don't know if you can see that, it's really bright. But yeah, it's kind of like it's like conserve. So it's like a strawberry conserve. Amazing. Best jam ever. My favorite flavor was the raspberry, and that's kind of why I started buying that raspberry jam. But this is from our wedding. It's the last jar that we have. I'm so sad because I love it. Kyle says he hasn't tried it yet, which is lies because I'm sure I made toast for him before. We had like 4 jars I think, and I ate all of them because he's not home during the day, so he never has toast like ever. And he never has jam when he does have toast. So this jam was everything. And it's so sad that I'm eating it because it's like, I want to hold on to it forever, but it'll go bad if I don't eat it. So, have to eat it. Have to.
Shrug and I grin like I'm Michael Jordan. This is my show and I'm taking over again to my highlight.